Hello and welcome to our show today. I am very excited to share these ideas with you. Today we will learn about daily routines. These are simple things you can do every single day. These routines help you feel successful and happy. They are easy to start and do not cost money. I will use simple words and speak slowly. This way you can understand everything we talk about. You can start these routines today if you want. They will make your life better step by step. Think about 3 good things in your life. Do this every morning when you first wake up. Gratitude means being thankful for what you have. This simple habit makes you feel happy and positive. You can think about family, friends, or health. Even small things like sunshine or coffee count too. Write these 3 things in a notebook daily. This helps you remember all the good in your life. Grateful people are happier and less stressed always. This takes only 2 minutes but changes your whole day. Drink a big glass of water immediately. Do this before coffee, tea, or any food in the morning. Your body needs water after sleeping 8 hours. Water helps your brain work better all day long. Keep a water bottle near your bed always. This makes it easy to drink water when you wake. Water gives you energy and makes you feel good. It also helps your skin look healthy and bright. Try to drink 8 glasses of water today. Start with 1 glass and add more during the day. Set a timer for every 60 minutes during work. When it rings, stand up and move your body. Long sitting is bad for your health completely. Short breaks help your back and legs feel better. Walk around your office or home for 5 minutes. Look out the window or stretch your arms. These breaks help you think more clearly. Your work becomes easier when your mind is fresh and rested. Even busy people can take 5-minute breaks. This small habit makes you more productive and happy. Call, text, or talk to one person today. This can be family, friends, or neighbors you like. Humans need connection with other people to feel good. Talking to others makes us less lonely inside. You can ask how their day was. Share something good that happened to you today as well. Even a quick hello message makes someone happy. It also makes you feel more connected and loved. Strong relationships are the key to happiness always. Spend a few minutes connecting with others every day. Spend at least 15 minutes doing something fun. This can be reading, music, games, or hobbies. Happy people make time for things they enjoy. Work is important, but fun activities matter too much. You can listen to your favorite songs or read a few pages of a book you like. Maybe you like to draw, cook, or garden. Do whatever makes you feel relaxed and truly happy. This time is just for you and nobody else. It helps you feel good about yourself every day. Before sleeping, think about your day for 5 minutes. What went well today and what you learned? This helps you see your progress over time. You notice good things that happen during the busy day. Think about what you want to improve tomorrow. But do not be hard on yourself about mistakes. Every day has good and bad moments together. Focus on the good parts and learn from difficult times. Write 1 sentence about your day if possible. This creates a record of your life and growth. These daily routines are simple but very powerful. They help you build success and happiness over time. You do not need to do everything today. Pick 1 or 2 routines that feel right for you. Start small and be patient with yourself always. New routines take time to become natural habits for life. Try these routines for 2 weeks consistently first. You will see positive changes in how you feel. Thank you for listening to our show today. Have a wonderful day and remember to be kind yourself.